In the first episode, we will explain the Goji Kayakan of the Christmas wreath. And instructed me to explain and explain. We mainly started from the inner circle. The wreath is woven here. Then there are accessories. And awarded the pen. And the stick pentagram. Little dots and the butterfly festival. Small accessories like bells. Only then does assembly begin. During the crochet process, I'll explain the first few rounds in more detail. If there are any duplicates at the end, I'll skip them. Just follow the cycle and weave. If there is anything you don't understand during the hooking process, you can contact our customer service. The material kit you get looks like this. Then let's take out the coil first. And this card color cable. Let's first cross this thread and cross the color line. Then wrap this thread around the left pinky finger and pick up the fingers. Next, take out this alumite coil. Then crochet the needle. Hook this thread over. This is how the thread is wound up. Release this coil. Another standing pin, then pull the thread end. Here, we crochet a single crochet. After this round, you'll need about 72 to 75 single crochets. Let's take a look at the crochet method for single crochet. Crochet through this loop. Then outline the lines and drag them over. At this point, there are 2 loops on the crochet hook. Drag the wire through both coils at once. This is the single crochet. After completing the first single crochet, we are working on this single crochet stitch. Fasten the marker. 2 lines like this above. This is how the marker is deducted. Mark it up. That's how the back side is. We'll wrap this thread into it. Then continue cutting the single needle. Start from the bottom of this ring. Sketch the lines. Come here. Then wind the thread. Remove these 2 loops from the hook. The second single crochet is done. Then we continued. Crochet the third single crochet. Draw the lines over here. First of all, pass through the 2 loops on the hook. Then the 4th single crochet. Fifth single crochet. Repeat this action over and over until the loop was finished. 72 to 75 single crochets. All are possible. Now, everyone can weave according to this method themselves. All are from this loop and hook like a needle. Then you need to outline first. Knitting through 2 loops on the crochet hook. I crocheted a total of 75 single crochets here. After finishing the hook, it looks like this. Then we are on the first shot. Deduct number 7 at this spot. Pull and pull to connect. Standing up a needle breaks the thread. Next, take out the white part, then move closer to your side. Half a needle is used for weaving. That's exactly the kind of bang-in thread it is. Each needlewood is made up of 2 wires. These 2 threads. This is a needlewood. 2 needles. We tuned closer to our side. Half a coil. That's how it works, weaving inside this half of the loop. Then take out the white string. This is the first shot here. We insert the needle here. Thread the yarn end through the hook. Then wrap the thread and drag it over. Here, hold down the white cable end. Next, winding the wire, drag another standing pin through the coil. Then wrap the thread and drag it over 2 standing pins. First, remove 3 standing pins. After the rest is settled, we're in the same spot. Crochet a single crochet. Hook the handle and place the yarn above the crochet hook, like this. Then, key lines through the coil. Next, pass through the loop on the crochet hook. Complete this single crochet. Here, let's start with this spot. Give it to it. Insert a number 7 button here. Here we go for now. Then continue with 3 standing pins in the next half of the coils. Then place this thread end above the crochet hook. Crochet a single crochet. Then use 3 more standing needles. Next coil. Place the thread end above the crochet hook. Crochet a single crochet. Repeat this step over and over. 3 standing pins. Crochet a single crochet for the next stitch, until the loop was finished. Look, this lace has already appeared. Then continue, 3 standing pins. Pick half a coil like this. Crochet a single crochet. From here on, you don't need to use this thread end. Place it above the crochet hook. Then we just cut it off directly. After cutting it out, let's follow this pattern. Finish knitting the remaining parts. Arrived. Here. Then we continue at this place by another single needle. After purchasing it, directly connect to the location where the marker is shelved. A standing needle cuts the thread. Hide this thread end on the back. We also provide this thread end here. Within this theme, now, tie a knot for these 2 thread ends and cut them off. Then you don't have to hide the line anymore. Next, take out the green line on the remaining outer half needle from before. Inside this half coil. This means weaving the remaining half of the coil from before. Let's hook this thread over. Thread around and set up a standing pin. Then winding the wire, crochet another stitch. Then inside the same spot, crochet 2 double crochets. Crochet to wind, go through the coil just now. Then he sketched the lines over. At this point, there are 3 loops on the crochet hook. winding the thread, remove the first 2 coils, then winding the wire, remove the last 2 coils. After the checkout was done, on this long needle stitch, knock on several slots. Continue winding. In the same location, crochet another double crochet. 2 by 2, the coil was uncoiled. After finishing, proceed to the next step. Hook the inside of the coil. 3 double crochets. It's in the next hole. When crocheting, place the green yarn ends above the hook. The same location. Crochet the second double crochet. At the same spot, crochet the third double crochet. This is the only group that then loops through knitting, until the full lap was completed. The hotline is in the next hole. 1 double crochet is enough. 1 more double crochet in the same spot. Next coil. We have 3 double crochets. 1, 2. 3. Keep repeating. Next coil. 2 double crochets. Next coil. 3 double crochets. You don't need to place the yarn above the hook. Trim off this thread end. Keep repeating. Next coil. 2 double crochets. Next injection. 3 double crochets. Now, let's follow this pattern. 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets. Weave like this. This is the lap here, after we've finished crocheting everything. Next, let's connect to the first frame by pulling and unplugging. Remove this marker port. Next, we continue with the third variable frame. In each frame, check a long frame for the responder until the loop was finished. Each. Just draw a long frame for each frame. Here, everyone will follow this rule to draw long frames until the loop is finished. Then, we hooked all the way to the end. After this stitch is completed, the first stitch is added. Mark this place for promotion. Standing up a needle breaks the thread. Then remove this marker clip. First, find the first stitch position. Insert the needle and then take out the white thread. Press the back of this piece of paper. Let the line be dragged over. Then we need to hook. First, crochet a chelan needle here. Then thread it in and crochet a single crochet. After finishing, the third is the mutant needle. Now, the position of the single needle. Attach the number of clips to it. 1, 2, 3. Next, we fasten 2 needle wood. In the next needle wood, crochet a single crochet. When crocheting, place this thread end above the hook. After finishing, crochet 3 more chain stitches. Control 2 needle woods. In the third needle, the wood is inserted into the needle. Crochet a single crochet. Place the thread end above the crochet hook. We followed this pattern for this round. 3 mutation needles. Hold 2 needles. On the third variant needle, here, the needle enters. Crochet a single crochet. 3 whip needles. Insert 2 needle curtains. On the third whip, needle the needle, short crochet. This pattern is always followed. After finishing this round, the most. Later, here is the flower whip. After finishing the hook and insert 2 needles, then we went straight to it. The first stitch marks the spot, pulling out the bell to receive it. Set a standing pin. Disconnection. Then hide the thread end. Now we have the main body checked.